friends, on continuation of previous session, chapter number 7 P block elements, जिसके अंदर हमने physical properties and followed by chemical properties start की थी. The last point of chemical properties is all about oxides, and then we moved on to this anomalous behavior. This element forms oxides of type X2O3, X2O4 and X2O5 just because of varieties of oxidation state. The acidic strength of oxide of nitrogen family is N2O is less than to this, NO is less than to this, N2O3 is less than to this, N2O4 is less than to this, N2O5. ये सभी के स्ट्रक्चर हमें पढ़ने हैं, इन डिटेल डिस्कस करेंगे. सिंपल ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन के बारे में जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे, द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी P2O5 is greater than to this AS2O5, Sb2O5 is greater than to this Bi2O5. Now nature, most important for MCQ is concerned. N2O3, P2O3 is acidic in nature. AS2O3 and Sb2O3 is amphoteric in nature. 4 या 5 ऑक्साइड दिए होंगे, पूछेंगे कौन सा ऑक्साइड एम्फोटेरिक है, एंड Bi2O3 बेसिक. अब देख के ही आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए कि टॉप मोस्ट फैमिली मेंबर जो है वो एसिडिक ऑक्साइड देते हैं, नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस. Middle one, antimony and bismuth gives you the amphoteric oxide, and just because of typical metal nature, Bi2O3 is basic nature. So down to the group, basic characteristics of oxide is increases. Topmost family member oxide जो होंगे वो acidic होंगे, middle one is amphoteric, and down to the group, basic tendencies increases. Now next is important point, anomalous behavior. Just because nitrogen is smaller size. Second point, high electron negativity, high ionization enthalpy and unavailability of d subshell. बहुत सारे ऐसे केमिकल एंड फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जो है वो डिफर करती है बाकी सारे फैमिली मेंबर से. जैसे N ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N is there but Bi triple bond Bi is not formed. These are the few things that we have to discuss under the title of anomalous behavior. Nitrogen is known to differ from other members of family because of this fact. First, it is small in size. Second, it's high electron negativity. Third, it's high ionization energy. Fourth, non-availability of d orbital in valence shell. And fifth, its capacity to form p-pi multiple bonds. And due to this 5 major reason, few different point of nitrogen then remaining family member we have to discuss. So let's start with anomalous behavior. First point, nitrogen is gas while other members are solid in nature. Second, nitrogen is diatomic while the other elements of phosphorus arsenic form tetraatomic molecule. Third point, nitrogen forms 5 oxides, that is N2O, NO, N2O3, N2O4 and N2O5. While the other members of family forms only 2 oxides, that is tri and penta. Halides of nitrogen shows hydrogen bonding while those of the other element do not, just because of smaller size. Nitrogen does not show pentacovalency. NCl5 is not fissile. Why? Just because unavailability of d subshell. Because the absence of d orbital while all the other elements shows pentacovalencies. Nitrogen does not form complexes because absence of d orbital while the other element make complexes like PCl6 minus, AsCl6 minus and etc. The hydride of nitrogen, that is NH3, is highly basic in nature while the hydrides of other elements are slightly basic in nature. Except for NF3, other halides of nitrogen, as for example NCl3, NBr3 and Ni are highly unstable. So this is all about your anomalous behavior. So anomalous behavior स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन में भी पूछ सकते हैं 2 मार्कर और 3 मार्कर के अंदर. कम से कम 5 पॉइंट आपको याद होने ही चाहिए. इफ यू रिमेंबर ऑल द पॉइंट्स दैट इज रियली वेरी अप्रिशिएबल, बट कम से कम 5 to 6 पॉइंट you have to write it down. So now we move on to this कंपोनेंट्स, सबसे पहले नाइट्रोजन कैसे बनता है, नाइट्रोजन के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, एंड देन कंपाउंड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, दैट इज NH3 एंड रिमेनिंग स्पीशीज। तो सबसे पहले नाइट्रोजन मींस N2 कैसे बनता है वो डिस्कशन करते हैं। N2 was discovered by Daniel Rutherford. It is the first member of group 15 in the periodic table. First point, occurrences. N2 occurs both in the free state as well as the combined state. N2 occur in the atmosphere to extent of 78%, highest abundance in earth crust, that is 78% by volume in free state. N2 is present in many compounds such as potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate and many ammonium compounds. N2 is an important constituent of this protein, plants and animal in combined state. अब जितने भी अमीनो एसिड देख लीजिए, अमीनो एसिड नेम itself suggest. Fine, then a constituent of DNA and RNA जो बेसिक था, एडेनिन, गुआनिन, साइटोसिन, ये सभी के अंदर नाइट्रोजन कहीं ना कहीं अवेलेबल मिलेगा आपको. सो बायोलॉजिकल इंपॉर्टेंस इज रियली वेरी हाई. प्रिपरेशन, हाउ कैन वी प्रिपेयर? फर्स्ट इज लेबोरेटरी प्रिपरेशन एंड सेकंड इज कमर्शियल. In laboratory, N2 is prepared by heating the aqueous solution containing an equivalent amount of NH4Cl and NaNO2. That is NH4Cl plus NaNO2. When you hit it, you get N2 plus 2H2 and NaCl is released. Commercially, N2 is prepared by the fractional distillation of liquid air. So this is all about. Nowadays आप सभी को पता होगा पेट्रोल पंप पे आपको नॉर्मल गैस स्टेशन भी मिलेगा, मीन्स एयर फिलर मिलेगा, और दूसरा नाइट्रोजन एयर फिलर इज ऑल्सो देयर. नाउडेज टायर के अंदर लोग नाइट्रोजन गैस भी फिल करवाते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज समवट कोल्ड एज कम्पेयर टू दिस नॉर्मल वन. एंड टायर ब्लास्ट के केसेस बहुत कम होते हैं. जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाते हैं या फिर जिनका ट्रैवलिंग ज़्यादा रहता है, दे प्रिफर्ड नाइट्रोजन गैस. नेक्स्ट इज फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. N2 is colorless, odorless and tasteless. It is non-toxic gas. Its vapor density is 14 and it has very low solubility in water. So this is all about your first introductory part, that is preparation, occurrences and physical properties. Now important part, that is chemical properties. First, N2 is neutral towards litmus. It is chemically unreactive at the ordinary temperature. It is neither combustible nor supports for combustion. So these are the once again a general introduction to this chemical reaction. N2 is neutral towards litmus. It is chemically unreactive in ordinary temperature. It's neither combustible nor supports for the combustion. Second point, the NN bond in N2 molecule is triple bond with the bond distance is 109-8 picometer and the bond dissociation energy is 946 kilojoule per mole. Next is combination with the compound, that is reactivity N2 with various component. N2 combined with a certain compound on the strong heating, that is CaC2, calcium carbide plus N2, you get CaCN2. Al2O3 plus N2 plus 3C, you get aluminum nitride. Both these compounds hydrolyze on boiling and gives ammonia, that is CaCN2 plus 3H2O gives CaCO3 plus 2 ammonia, while in case ALN plus 3H2O gives AlOH3 plus ammonia. Both the cases you release ammonia gas. Most important, NEET में 2 साल पहले पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन, calcium cyanamide is used as a fertilizer under the name of nitrolim. So nitrolim is nothing but CaCN2 plus C. ये याद रखिएगा. 2 चीज, nitrolim is used as a fertilizer under the name of calcium cyanamide. Second thing, and the third chemical constituent, that is CaCN2 plus C. This combination is known as nitrolim, which is used as a fertilizers. Uses of nitrogen. N2 is mainly used to manufacturing a component like NH3, HNO3. इसके बारे में इन डिटेल डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट NH3 मीन्स हेबर प्रोसेस, HNO3 मीन्स ओसवाल्ड्स प्रोसेस, एंड अभी हमने डिस्कस किया नाइट्रोलियम दैट इज CaCN2. नाइट्रोजन इज यूज्ड एज ए इनर्ट गैस ऑल्सो. नाउअडेज आप सभी को बताओ लेज वेफर के अंदर भी मैक्सिमम क्या होता है नाइट्रोजन गैस, वेरी फ्यू अमाउंट ऑफ चिप्स. And nitrogen used into the so many chemical reaction in chemistry laboratory where you have to make a reaction in inert condition. Inert condition maintain करने के लिए भी nitrogen use होता है. So this is all about your uses of nitrogen. Next we moved on to this compounds of nitrogen. उसके अंदर first point पढ़ने वाले हैं that is ammonia. Now ammonia is really very large topic. बहुत ही बड़ा point है, बहुत सारे chemical reaction है, manufacturing पढ़ना है. सो फर्स्ट सेशन में हम ओनली एंड ओनली अमोनिया पढ़ेंगे एंड उसके बाद हम डिस्कशन करेंगे ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन के बारे में. सो इन दिस सेशन दिस इज ऑल. थैंक यू.